you see, some people speak as if it's okay.
One of that Jesus, or some just said about Sansa Babo Dabi, Yamia ordinary banner decided to run him. And so almost as I am in what to me, I will be on a problem. I don't maybe I can't say ready. Guame, let me do my dear. I tell you what the mamma and we are talking about.
I want to show you everything about God and men. Jeremiah 27:5. I'll finish soon. And then next Sunday is when I'll come and show you from Bible, where prophecies failed. Because prophecy has a reason. That's what we call the utterance of prophecy. And the system of prophecy. Ask any journalist or blogger, he doesn't know. Ask any blogger, 1 + 1, he'll tell you 2. But in the system of God, anything that will be 1 must enter to be 1. Yeah. If I want to make this man great, say come. Everyone look at me. If I want in the system of God on earth, if I want to make this man great, if I am not great, I can't make him great. Yeah. If I'm great, he can enter me to be great, but be seen as great before men, but he is great from me. Yeah. Anything of God, 1 + 1 is not 2, it's 1. We be saying Jonas, I did back when the back if you don't understand anything, ask God. That's why we are suffering. Can I say something? Badu Kobi has faced tribal persecution. Badu Kobi, Ghana Kasahurumo and Chichemu Aha Watuno. It did not affect me. I pay political persecution. There are people be watching me, and then the politician will sit on TV and then speak against me. Badu Kobi this, Badu Kobi that. Here I am. It couldn't bring me down. So when it comes to societal persecution, it is just I don't remember. In fact, throughout the week I slept very well. I ate very well. I had time with God very well. You are wasting your time because I know what you don't know. Amen. If what I am doing they can do better, they won't talk about me. They know they can't do what I'm doing. How many men of God will within 2 weeks prophesy 5 prophecies? 3 will come to pass, 2 will fail. They should show me one. They should show me one. They should show me only one. In even the land of Ghana, they should show me one. That he prophesied. Has of folk to beat Kotoko. Has beat them. Has to win the league. Has won. That England will beat. I was here preaching, talking to most of you on a Wednesday service. And then I was told that England was playing Denmark. And I said England will beat Denmark. They beat them. Then the last 2 prophecies did not come. He said, he is not of God. He's from your village. So bring your media. I. So bring your media if you were cry. And now when after that, when another prophecy comes to pass, you say this is a ring. Let them try and arrange prophecies and let's see if it will work. Your life will be better. Jonas. I told Ghana that they'll be doing so this year. They said no, it won't happen. Did it happen or not? It's still happening. That's one day should talk about it. Ignorant fools. Can I continue? I want to show you that God is with men in everything. Jeremiah 27:5. When your prophet becomes God, leave him. That everything, he's powerful beyond God, leave him. Every prophet is limited. That shows he's a messenger, not the master. Prophecy doesn't fail for insults, it fails for lesson. Jeremiah 27:5. I have made the earth. Look at it, read with me, ready, go. I have made the earth, the man, the beasts upon the ground by my great power, by my outstretched arm, and I've given it unto whom it seemed meet unto him, unto me. So who is orchestrating things on earth? God. God. I will not do that one Sunday. Today I will show you 7 things which cannot fail. Prophecy is not part. 1. Blessing. Everybody write these things and keep it. There are only 7 things which cannot fail. 1. Blessing. 2. God. 3. His command. 4. Let me show it to you. There are 7 things that don't fail. Prophecy is not part of it. I can tell Pastor Mensah he'll be rich. If he doesn't know how to be rich, God said it, but it won't come to pass. So, how many things? I've said how many?
I've said 4.
1, blessing. Do you know if I call Mami Akuya and I bless her, she will surely be. Do you know why? Blessing doesn't fail on earth. When you speak over somebody, permanent. 2, God can fail. 3, his command can fail. When God commands. 4, principle can fail. 5, direction can fail. 6, perfect will can fail. 7, permissive will can fail. Let me go over and help you. 1 is blessing. Hey, Deacon, if I don't prophesy you, but I bless you, I've given you future. That's why in the olden days, they were not interested in the prophecy of their father. If you don't bless me, I won't let you go. 2, God can fail. As a person. But I'm shocking you. But his word can fail. His word can fail. And it is in the 7 things I've said. 3. What did I say? His command. When God gives a command, there's no failure. Every force must bow. 4, his principle. This is what to do to get to what you want. It can fail. 5, his direction. Use this procedure. You not fail. 6, his perfect will. This is what I want for you. It can fail. 7, his permissive will. I want this for you. You don't want it. What you want, take it. It can fail. But prophecy can fail. That makes every prophet limited. That is why if you check me, even when my prophecy comes to pass, I don't celebrate it. Why? I am not the owner of the prophecy. The owner is there. He takes the glory. So that when he tells me something and I say it and I don't see it, I must go back and ask him, the other one you did it, this one why?
And it is a mission coming up with Mindia who see a sense and come in media or run any dia. And this all can be now some Bemois. And then I was a metas say, I don't know how wait but way I didn't way young them. And when I was having Bisano.
Jeremiah 27:5.
Jeremiah tell no so you know.
Look at someone and say, God is with men. So I think we read that one, eh? Yeah. He said, I've made the earth. He made the earth. The man and the beast. Acts 17. 28. Do you know how I live when persecution arises? I relax. Do you know why? It is, you see, out of all the fivefold ministries, the prophetic is the misunderstood. When they condemn you, commend yourself. That's why I won't call you and say, encourage me. Do you know why? It's part of it. And next Sunday, I will show you when God told the Israelites, I'm sorry, every word I told you, I have not done it. Every word I told you, it has not come to pass. I'm sorry, this time I'm going to do it. God, Almighty God. That's God. Talking to men. I'm sorry. What I said, it has not come to pass. And therefore there's a proverb in the land. Said, I'll find a means to correct it because it had to happen. God. When you see my enemies, laugh at them. God has made me better than them. What Badu Kobi can do, they can't do one thing. Apart from the things they are talking about, concerning one-on-one prophecies, so many people in Ghana have met me, received prophecy, they've seen things. Some from zero
to hero.
Who's listening to me today? What quotation? Where did I? Acts 17. 28. Read with understanding. Ready, go. For in him we live. So you are in the earth, right? But he says, in him we live. So where is football? In him.
Football.
Where is athletic sports? In him. Where is marriage? In him. Where is money? In him. He said, the silver is mine. And the gold is mine. And then you hear them say that my problem is Prophet Badu Kobi's interpreter. How he interprets. He said the match will be 4-4-4. That's what he should say. It will be 4-4-4. It will be 4-4-4.
Won't call me Papa. You can't kill me.
Who is listening to me today? Ask, in him we live. In him we move. Just get up and say, I'm walking in him. Just get up and say, I'm walking in him. Say, I'm walking in God. In him we live. In him we move. In him we have our being, our existence. Why? We are his children. I want to say something. Can I say today? Write it in your book. You are not a child of your father. God passed you through your mother. Charles Taylor's father can't give him that gift of football. The King Imbachu's father can't give him the house where he dwells. You are not a product of your father. Neither did your mother conceive you. God formed you in her. And so that's why I forgot. Let me get back. That as somebody put on our platform, it's a school platform, and some of my mates are watching me, and I laughed. He said, those countries are doing well. The church, they don't have churches, but they are doing well. A time will come. Any nation that doesn't look for God will bow. They do not think so. You see, you can use technology, you can use everything, but the end, it will be God. Nebuchadnezzar controlled 127 countries. But acknowledged. He acknowledged that God rules in the affairs of men. Prophet, prophesy people. Don't prophesy football. Is it animals who play football? Talk to me. Is it animals who do business? Is it animals who are in the education ministry? Let's talk about everything. The church must introduce everything. And now let me say this before I land. They said, men of God, prophets, don't talk about football. Football is for juju. Anybody who said this is senseless. Quotation, Psalm 24 verse 1. Who told you football is for juju? Evil spirits control football. Who told them? Matthew chapter 4.
Matthew 9.
Satan came to Jesus. If you will bow to me, I'll give you all these things you see because they are mine. Jesus said, it is only God you must reverence. And only him you must worship. You know why? It's in Psalm 24 verse 1. Read it. Ready, go. The earth is who?
The Lord's.
I want your voice. Ready, go. The earth is the... I want your voice again. The earth is the Lord's, and the fullness thereof, the world, and they that dwell therein. As I see, are you ready there? I'm speaking now to Nigerians. Because they did not condemn me much as my people. Rashid Yakini, once an African Footballer of the Year. He was signed, I think, a team in Portugal. He made so much money. But at the end, after his career, some of us will go to Nigeria and then we have to feed him. Nigeria should listen. And sometimes we pray with him. What does it mean? Everybody on earth, whether footballer, engineer, doctor, president, whoever, God is your king.
We are that we are engineer, we are wine, Nyakupon Ayawahine.
If you bow to me, I will give you. Jesus said it's not yours.
Yes, you can say,
it is the Father. Look at someone and say, it's not juju. Don't give any glory to the devil. It's not for him. That's in Matthew 4:8-10. Is there?
Matthew 10:9.
I don't think we finished reading Matthew to Psalm 24, right? Have you finished reading it?
Psalm 24.
The earth is the Lord's, the fullness thereof, the world. So I'm going to say something. Are you ready to hear that one? Before next week, I come to talk about prophecies and how it goes. There's no football prophecy I've said which has not come to pass except these two. Some of you were here years ago when Ghana was playing African Cup of Nations in Ghana here. And I came and that time Prophet Joshua J was here that time. And I came and I said, Ghana won't win the cup. That time, where were those who are talking today? There's a certain channel. Every day they look for somebody come and sit on, condemn Badu Kobi. Every day I pity them because you can't kill me, you can't stop me, you can't break me, you can't. Whom God has blessed, you can't care so. And before I end, I'll tell you something. Keep it. So where am I? I was talking about something. There's no prophecy concerning football in this room that has not. Every prophecy concerning football. That is one. Number two. Years ago, we were in this room when Zambia and Ivory Coast were about to play Nations Cup final. Were you here? Good. And the owner of Champion Divine Clinic was here. Dr. Kweku Frimpong was here. And I came and stood there and said, the cup was for Ivory Coast, but it has turned to Zambia. Who was here? Yes. Thank you to God you are here. And at the end of the day, Drogba got a penalty. People thought my prophecy was going to fail. The next thing is that Drogba hit the ball over the bar, and at the end, Zambia won. Wait! 2017, Ghana was ready to go play, is it World Cup or something? Or AFCON? And that's African Cup. And I said, Ghana should forget it. 2018, I heard that Ghana was going to World Cup. And that Ghana, then I came in and I said, Ghana will not qualify. Suppose, eh? Suppose, eh? They should watch me. These two, I won't tell them what God has told me because they don't need to know it. And I will speak every time. And let me say for them to pick it. They should even forget the incoming Cup of Nations. They won't win. If they decide to make Badu Kobi their object, they'll regret. So are you ready to hear me?
Positive, Baba.
And then through. Then it came to, you see, now everybody hear me very well. I was not even interested in House of Folk Kotoko because, as I told you, I said, I am a Kotoko fan. I am a fabulous. Born fabulous. Bred fabulous. Die-hard fabulous. But you see, God is above my passion. And then God told me that what I told you in 2019 for 2020, which the COVID came to obstruct, still tell them is for us. And that the day they were about to play the match, in the morning, the Spirit of God spoke to me and said, it is us who will win. And that God added the reason for which us will win. That reason, Sunday I'll tell you, every prophecy has a purpose. You will see it as a football match, but God knows that that match is for something. And Sunday I'll tell you why has beat Kotoko. It is a prophecy. Kotoko is the center of I'll tell you Sunday now. And God explained, tell them, I will let us beat them, for that my purpose to stand. And then not only that, I continue, and Haas will win the league. Haas winning the league also has a purpose. And that purpose is between now and 2024. People don't understand things. And they are talking. Look at somebody and tell him, I'm changing my mind. Tell somebody, God is part of everything. Say it again, say it again. Let me hear you again. Don't fight for me. All you can do is to promote me. Because I am his agent. And you don't see me cursing anybody. If God sent me and you don't understand, face God. Now let me give you this statement, keep it. Don't forget. If a prophecy comes to pass, celebrate God. But if it fails, ask God why. And the people who are talking, they can't ask God. And I want to say the last word. Who is going to keep it? When I prophesy about football, and if you want it to come to pass, don't use God's word for betting. I've finished.